Today we have a homemade tutorial. This is our family recipe for the gingerbread man.
Let's first talk about the ingredients. I like to group them by bowls. In the big bowl, you need 240 grams of flour. Low gluten flour or cake flour will make your gingerbread softer, while plain flour will make it more chewy. Then 160 grams of sugar. I'm using dark muscovado here as I like its richness of flavor. And lastly, 100 grams of butter. You'll need to cut this in cubes, so warm it up in the sun first. The butter's wrapper is perfect for greasing the baking paper you'll need for baking the gingerbread. You can prepare 3 baking sheets now, 1 for the pan, this needs to be greased, and 2 for cutting the dough later. Spices bowl. All the spices go in here. 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger, 2 heaped teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2 flat teaspoons of nutmeg. A heaped teaspoon means it looks like a mountain, and a flat teaspoon means it looks like the sea. This is how you can guide your child and let them smell these spices. Wet bowl. 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Beat the egg and mix them. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the steps. Pour the spices into the big bowl and begin mixing. You'll need to use your hands to rub the flour, sugar and butter together. Rub, 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 rub. Break up the lumps of sugar and flour. Rub them into the butter cubes. You should end up with a bowl of brown sand. It's a good time to turn on the oven and preheat it to 170 degrees Celsius. No fan. Add the wet ingredients onto the mixed sand. The dough will begin to form. Use your hands to knead lightly, such that your gingerbread wouldn't get too hard.
Mommy, it looks like water coming out.
A child's hands are perfect for this. Prepare 2 baking sheets on your counter. Place a lump of dough on one sheet and cover it with the other. Start rolling from the middle of your dough. My rolling pin is set up to roll a thickness of 1 centimeter. When it's flat, you can take off the baking paper and cut shapes with your gingerbread man cutters. Take away the dough on the sides, free the man, and lay it on the pan. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius, no fan. 9 minutes for soft bake and longer for crisp. Here they are. Stay tuned for the next video on how to decorate them.